Okie dokie. I think that time is now. Can I check? Can I take a look? So, oops, sorry. So now we're going to take a little bit at a time. Not all of it at once, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Push some in there.
When are you going in?
Hey, it's weird out.
Okay, now let's mix some of it up a little bit at a time. So put the mixer down. We're gonna make it mix up now. Lock it.
Will you call Mike?
Now you turn it on, but slow.
Later when
Okay,
I need him to?
slow. Okay, see how it's mixing the flour
I'll
in?
take care of it.
You'll take care of what?
I got it in my
Oh, you
Did you get a little in your eye? Okay.
Oh, that's me. Why didn't I do it?
It's alright, I gotta go into toast anyway.
You got a little flour on your face.
I have a pop truck I can knock out 2 trees
Do
pretty
you want
fast.
me to go and do the sidewalks?
Okay, turn it off. I'm gonna put some more in.
It's alright.
Tristan can come with me to the sidewalk.
Depends on what time it stops snowing, honey. You can't go too
Push
early.
it up. Here, push it up.
And I'll be out all night.
help.
Push it. You can do it. Alright. No, not this time we're not gonna do that. We're gonna keep putting more flour in. So we have to be really careful. A little bit at a time. Can you get it? Push it in.
No, I
Can you
can't.
see?
Yeah.
Can you see?
No, you do it all without.
Okay.
You clean that down.
Okay, you're gonna clean up?
Yeah.
What is just like
Oh, wait. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, slow though. Oh, slow, slow.
That's why I made these videos.
It gets to be a little bit hard. Mom says you have to hold down the top because it pops up a little bit.
Probably a good idea for him to not be around that mixer. Stick your hand in there and loses.
Well, we talked about that, right, Tristan?
You don't put your hand in there. It's dangerous, yeah.
Yeah, we do not put our hand in the bowl because you'd get a big owie.
We actually let Tristan do a lot of stuff that people freak out about. We watch him really closely. I want him to learn how to do it, and I don't want him to be scared of anything.
But real close supervision.
But he'll